Hope you have completed the diagram. Yes, diagram is being over. Yes, Tanveer हो गए diagram. Tanveer, Mohit. ओमकार. ओके. होने के बाद बोलो फिर मुझे. ओके हो गया तन्वीर. So now you need to calculate the area. So as the beam cross section is of 400 by 600 mm, so area comes up to be 240 into 10 raised to power 3. As the beam is cross section, so B into D. So 400 by 600, that is 240 into 10 raised to power 3 mm square. Now you need to calculate Z. So Z के लिए BD square by 6. So B is your 400, D is your 600. So B 400 into 600 square by 6. So Z आपको मिलता है section modulus, that is 24 into 10 raised to power 6 mm cube. So just do the calculations for A and Z, then we'll proceed further for WC, that is the load for the parabolic profile. Yes, हो गया सबको. मिला section modulus 24 into 10 raised to power 6. Okay. So now you need to calculate WC. So WC calculate करने के लिए you are having the formula, that is 8 HP by L square. So here you have to convert it in Newton and mm. So H कितना है आपका? H is your 100 and P is the what? Pre-stressing force. So pre-stressing force आपका कितना है? 1000. So 8 into HP, that is 1000 into 10 raised to power 3 upon L. L is what? The total span. That is of 6 meter, but you need to convert it in mm. So 6000 mm. So WC आपको मिलता है 22.22 न्यूटन पर mm. अभी WC तो कैलकुलेट कर लिया. Now you need to calculate net W. So for calculating net W, you need to deduct from the earlier W. So आपको W कितना दिया हुआ है? W is given to you, that is 35. It is given to you as a 35. So 35 minus WC. WC आपका कितना है? 22.22. So उस पे से नेट W you are going to get it as 12.78 Newton per mm. So calculate the value for net W, then we'll proceed further for the calculations of moment. See whether you are also getting the same answers or not. And if you are having any of the doubts, you can ask. Yes, net W, everyone had got 12.78 Newton per mm. हो गया तनवीर यहाँ तक की? Should I proceed further? 35 in kilonewton per meter to be converted. 35, yeah, yeah. It is in kilonewton per meter. Wait, let me check. Yes, you need to convert it then. Yeah. Convert it in Newton per mm, and then see the value for the net W. Whatever it will be the value, that will be the answer for the net W. Net W मिलने के बाद में you need to calculate the moment. So for calculating moment, आपके पास में formula है, that is W net by L square by 8. So देख लो W net कितना आता है after converting, and put that value only for calculating the maximum value for the moment, that is WL square by 8. So M maximum आपको मिलता है 57.51 न्यूटन मीटर और 57.51 into 10 raised to power 6 न्यूटन mm. After calculating the maximum moment, you need to calculate extreme fiber stresses at the top and the extreme fiber stresses at the bottom. So F top के लिए formula है P by A plus M by Z, and F bottom के लिए formula है P by A minus M by Z. Here no, we are not going to include the terms containing PE by Z. क्यों? Yes, anyone can let me know कि यहाँ पे हम PE by Z का term क्यों नहीं include कर रहे हैं? Just read out the question, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. क्यों नहीं include कर रहे हैं हम PE by Z का term? Because in the earlier sums, every time we had included the term of eccentricity also. Yes, the eccentricity is 0. That's why we are not going to include the eccentricity term over here. So extreme fiber stresses at the top के लिए formula रहेगा P by A plus M by Z. So P क्या है? P is your pre-stressing force, that is 1000, that is given to you, upon area, plus M, that is moment, upon Z, that is the section modulus. So at the top, extreme fiber stresses at the top आपको मिलता है 6.56 Newton per mm square. And same for the bottom, P by A minus M by Z. So just do this calculation, see whether you are also getting the same answers or not. Okay, done. Everyone had got the values. Yes, over up till here. Okay, सबको मिली values extreme fiber stresses at the top and the bottom. Okay. Now, in the above sum, if the value of bending moment is used while calculating the stresses, was the net bending moment due to pre-stressing force and the external loading. Therefore, P by Z will got vanish. So F at the top will be P by minus P by Z plus M by Z. अगर आपको बेंडिंग मोमेंट ड्यू टू एक्सटर्नल लोडिंग अलोन के लिए कैलकुलेट करना है तो आप क्या करोगे, अगर जैसा क्वेश्चन में कंडीशन दी थी वो क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से आपको नेट बेंडिंग मोमेंट कैलकुलेट करना है. बट अगर if they have told you to calculate the bending moment due to external loading alone, तो तब के लिए आप क्या यूज करोगे मोमेंट के लिए फॉर्मूला, that is 35 into 6 square by 8. So मोमेंट की वैल्यू वहां पे चेंज होगी, that will be 157.5 kilonewton meter. So understood? So here we had completed this sum and also we had completed the syllabus for DDRCS. If you want any more lectures or any more topics for the revision or anything, you can just let me know. Yes? Any doubts, any queries, or if you want to ask anything, you can ask.